Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to stop Instagram story sharing to Facebook. So in this video I am using a desktop version of Instagram. You can also do very simple steps on Android as well, or iOS. The app is very similar across platforms. So if you want to stop your story sharing onto the Facebook, follow me by doing all these easy steps. Okay, so to do it, let's tap on More, then go to Settings, then go to Accounts Center, then click on Connected Experiences, then click on Sharing Across Profiles, and then you need to click on your Instagram profile, and in the bottom where it says Automatically Share, untick the Your Instagram Story button. You can also turn off the Instagram posts as well. If this helps you, please follow our channel by pressing on the subscribe button, and I will see you in the next tutorial.